Thank you. Your Excellency, the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, my colleagues in Cabinet, the Chair of SRC, distinguished governors, participants, good afternoon. I had an opportunity to say something when I was there, so I will just limit my remarks so that we can give the President ample time to make a more detailed pronouncement on this issue. But first, let me commend the SRC and all the people who have put this convention together, because indeed it is a very significant gathering that is aimed at shaping and improving our economy. That is absolutely important. The second thing is just to be a little bit maybe philosophical. Ladies and gentlemen, you know Bomas is famous. Resolutions in Bomas sometimes are bitter, sour, or sweet. But today we are gathered here on a very fundamental issue. And what I want to acknowledge is that we are all resolving that the target of 35% to revenue ratio on the wage bill is significant, it's important, it's a critical target. You are resolving to be part of a team that is now going to be enjoined to Zakayo, in quotes, so that you can be part of these tough decisions that have got to be made. The President of the Republic of Kenya has been making very tough decisions, extremely tough, because the status of the economy that was inherited by the Kenya Kwanza government was extremely difficult, and it remains difficult. So difficult decisions have got to be made to deal with debt, to deal with revenue, to deal with security, and so many other things. And what we are addressing here, and the resolve that we shall have in making sure that we can follow through on this, is going to be both bitter, sour, but ultimately sweet for the people of Kenya if we do it right, and we do it knowing that we have a target set collectively to improve the well-being of the country. So that is all I can say. Let me not go into any other numbers or details. And it is my honor to request the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, to come forward and make his remarks, and thereafter invite His Excellency the President.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto,